Hi, everybody. It's Friday at 1:14 p.m., October 5th, 2023. I took some pictures of my face. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on one side of my face, and then I'll end that video, and then I'll go to the other side of my face. So, um, so we're on this side of my face, which is this side. Okay, so I thought I moved my lips a little bit so I can see if I can stretch out the image here to see what's unfolding. Because do you see this guy right down here? Oops. He's got like this tall hat on or something. But there's more. Remember how I was telling you how things are layered upon layered? Because you can see, or maybe that looks like some type of container. Because it looks like something right there. Well, and this image looks different because now the hat looks like there's a... Oh, interesting. From a distance, it looks like this is like feathered. This looks like somebody's face, like an eyeball, their nose, their mouth. It looks like they're laying down. I don't know. It's hard to see from this phone. This is the side I was telling you what looked like the llama. You can see pointed ear here. Oh, I think you can actually see the dog right there. I thought I seen a dog over here as well. But I think it's yesterday or day before yesterday I showed you where it looked like a llama. Now see this guy down here? It's interesting because, how he looks. And this looks like, like a ghost dog or something. It's cute though. And another thing that I noticed that was really interesting is I've had this mole on my face, but look at this line that goes off it. I've had this little bitty mole my whole life on my face right there. Some people go, "Oh, you got a beauty mark." But look, it goes like this now. It's never done that before. And how it goes down my face. Is that bizarre? Not bizarre, but very interesting. But there's something else playing out here because you can see on my chin, it looks like a hologram kind of like effect. But there's an eye right there. And I think there's an eye right there. So there's something right there. Oh, interesting. Because remember, I was telling you right here where you can see the dog? If you look at it from this angle, it looks like there's like a horse in a longer version. Let's see here. I wish I can get that to come out more. Oh, maybe. Oh, look down here. Oops. Oh. Look at that big eye. Looks like a... Oh, I don't know. Are those teeth? And then there's this dog. This just looks so cool. I hope this comes out. But there's something else playing out here. There's a lot playing out. At least I can see a lot. I don't know how many other people can see these images. This guy right here, he actually looks like he's Spanish, and it looks like one of those big sombrero hats. And then this face right here, you see both their eyeballs right there. It looks like she's looking at us, or I don't know why I said she. I just caught myself real quick. I'm looking at the white here. Oh, it looks like a blanket kind of like thing on top of it. But that is kind of tripping me out because look how it goes up to my mole and comes down. I wonder. I move it all the way back. Yeah, you can see that. And if I move it closer, we'll be able to see anything. That is so wild. Let's give us some warmth. Oh, the dog really comes out there in that image. I'm playing with the warmth. Oops. You guys have got this. I know you guys can see this. I know this is going to come out because I see this way too well. There's something else happening up here. But I don't know what's going on. Okay, change the saturation. Okay, now let's move in closer and see what we can see. Oh, right here, especially, this is where I was telling you it was coming off my. Oh, there is a face right there. Okay, let's get the saturation back. So cool. Look at the mouth on that dog. Oh, it looks like an eyeball in that. Oh, it is the eyeball. It's the eyeball to this face right here. Isn't that interesting? It's layered just perfectly where the eyeball is the mouth of the dog. Now, this is interesting. Right there. But you can see it's this guy right here. It's his hat. But I wonder if this is like some type of writing. Because that looks like a letter too. I wonder. I wonder if I could flip this. So let's save that. Okay. Okay. So okay, let's turn it upside down. It looks like an owl. I think. It does. It looks like my whole cheek. It looks like a big owl. This looks like an eye, and this looks like its beak. And this looks like its body. That's fascinating. There's an eye down there. Wonder what else is playing out. Okay, so I can't really tell that one right there. But anyway, okay, so I'm gonna end this side, and I'll work on the other side of my face later today, as soon as I get back, because I have to go out and about. This kind of looks like kind of like, I don't know. I want to say Catwoman. Doesn't this kind of look like Catwoman? Like she's got her mask on. It does look like Catwoman. Hold on. And she dresses in black, and then the Black Cats of Egypt too. Yeah, look at the face mask. Look at that face mask. Okay. Oh, this is so fascinating. How awesome. I don't know, but that is pretty cool though, right? Because you can see what looks like a mask right there. And it's interesting too because Batman, I used to think God was Batman growing up. And that's like in the 70s when I was growing up. Um, Not like on TV or real life, that kind of thing, but I don't know because he wouldn't hurt anybody, but he'd lock them up and he'd set traps and he'd do stuff like that. I think somewhere in my life, I don't know where that got put in, but now maybe there was a reason why that was planted in my mind a long ago. Um, Maybe that symbology has something to do with it. And then this dog too, that's in this white halo like thing is pretty fascinating. Okay, tell me what you think of this, you guys. Pretty wild stuff. Okay, so how do I want to do this? I want to. Okay, I'll put up a picture of it too.